Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're going to work with this pattern. This is pattern 105408 over on friendshipbracelets.net. And paste it over here. Here. Yeah, clockwise is fine. Little micro decisions going on here. Clockwise, counterclockwise. What am I doing? Scale it up a bit so we can see what we're doing. If we end it on this, it'd make an X right in the middle. If we end it on the dot, that might be interesting. Let's go with red. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen when we flip it. So we anchor the floating layer, go to the bottom. There's... Wait, need the paint tool. So the white one is here. That comes around. And then... right? And there's... I can count out here. I didn't realize that makes more sense. That's 2. This goes all the way out to the edge. Right, so that's all that. This comes back in. One, two, three, 4. This is super difficult to figure out on the mapping. So there's 3, and then this comes out for there. Wow. There's the 4. I wonder what the person designing this was thinking about. Wow. I thought there'd be a lot more repetition in it than this, but that's as far as it goes. Interesting. Yeah, I did notice that it wasn't 3 of the dark color in this. And as a result, I'm trying to see how this works out. I'm also kind of curious, can we make it work with a balance number or not? Yeah, this pattern, I picked it out to try it as a challenge for myself. That was before the whole variegated floss idea. I'm not sure how this will necessarily turn out with the variegated floss because of the fact that it's not getting like sandwiched between solid colors. There's a lot of like bulkier segments to it, and sometimes that's cool, sometimes it's not great. So yeah, so I've mapped out the whole top half, top of the right hand side. Let's get rid of our example and copy these things into place. While I'm doing that, actually, I can thank my YouTube members for making this possible. You guys have definitely helped get the channel going and keep it going, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. And merge down, there we go. If you guys want to become a member, it's real easy. It's the join button right next to subscribe. All right, let's copy paste, get our flip tool and go down to the guideline. Oh yeah. Oh, that is pretty cool. Yeah, I wasn't sure what it was gonna make for the center part, but that's pretty neat. And I like the fact that they're both facing inwards. I think there's some real potential there. All right, let's give another color to the background. We'll do the select tool here. Color selection. What are we gonna go with, guys? More like a gray. That seems kind of neat. Paint tool, fill hole selection. Put that there. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you haven't already, hit the like button. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.